Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this device. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and recommended method when we have access to the phone, when the phone works normally, as you can see everything is fine, the phone is responsive, is through the power menu. To launch the power menu we need to hold the power button and the volume down button for around 1 second, just like that. And now we need to tap on the restart button. Now if you tap again, the phone will be turned off, then turned on again automatically within a few seconds, and then it will be ready to use. But there is the second method called the force restart, and it's recommended, for example, when the phone is unresponsive and when we cannot perform any action. So to do it we need to hold the power button and the volume down button until the phone turns off. So let's keep on holding. The power menu launched, as you can see, but we need to keep on holding still. Okay, as you can see the screen went black. We can hold for a little bit more. Okay, now we can release, and now within a few seconds the Samsung logo will appear on the screen, and within a few seconds then after the logo appears, the device will be turned on. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.